so excited to welcome our families into our building tonight. I'm excited to see what the students and families think and for them to be able to see our specialty rooms that we have and just these brand new classrooms with new materials inside and excited teachers and staff to see them. Our staff is just so excited. They are very, very happy with their rooms, the furniture, a nice, clean, air-conditioned space that's accessible for any of our students and families. So we are so happy to be back in the neighborhood and be able to see more of our families where we weren't able to do that over at Crescent Park because a lot of our students were bused over there. Excited. This is my 5th year at Hunt, and so it's a great feeling to see the students and families and know them by name and just the anticipation of getting them back into our building and being able to start integrating the arts and just have a great 2022-2023 school year.